Straight run, it spins out. But here's the cool thing, because you can do killer drifting when going forward, but you can drive it nicely going in reverse. Look at this. This thing is fast. Come on. You can apply some good brake into it. Come on, faster! Woo! That's some good braking. Woo! I'm not gonna bump. This thing is great. Aim it. That's how it's done. Even though it fell down, look at this. Okay, so both rear wheels fell off. Right, so the rear is on the ground. But look how much torque this thing has. It still has plenty of power. That's the step brother for you. Beautiful, beautiful indeed. As you can see, the other wheel is just right there. So the whole time you were watching, almost half the time you were watching, it was only driving with one wheel in the rear. So this is a cool RC car because you get to do cool drifting and you get to drive at high speed. I think this is like the fastest RC car I've built so far. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video. 1, 2, 3.